What techniques improve website conversion through A/B testing? Enhancing website conversion with A/B testing employs diverse strategies to optimize user experience and prompt desired actions. A/B testing, or split testing, empowers businesses to compare multiple versions of a web page or element for superior conversion outcomes. Start by testing pivotal elements directly affecting conversions, like call to action buttons, headlines, and form designs. These components play a pivotal role in directing users towards desired goals. Ensure each tested version is distinct, altering a single variable. This approach ensures accurate analysis devoid of complicating factors. Experiment with various layouts and designs to pinpoint the most user-friendly and visually compelling choices. Minor changes in color, font, or imagery can markedly influence user engagement and conversions. Prioritize mobile optimization during A/B testing, recognizing the growing mobile user base. Adapting for mobile responsiveness can notably heighten conversion rates for mobile users. Additionally, deploy A/B testing across different audience segments to personalize experiences and cater to specific preferences. Adapting content and design based on demographics or behavior can uplift overall conversions. So to summarize, refining website conversion via A/B testing entails evaluating key conversion-centric elements, preserving distinct variables for precise analysis, optimizing layouts, prioritizing mobile responsiveness, and tailoring experiences for diverse audience segments. Employing these strategies enables informed decisions, enriches user experience, boosts conversions, and advances website objectives.